Right, when talking about how to make money online, then DevTech YouTube channel is the best channel that you're supposed to subscribe and turn on the notifications so that you get updated on how to make money online. Right, in today's video, I'm going to talk about another bot that you can use to trade online using any exchange wallet, let me say like Binance, OKX, BitKeep or any other exchange wallet. But before I go deep in this video, if you're new in this YouTube channel, you're welcome to DevTech YouTube channel, where I teach how to make money online without investing and by investing. And in today's video, I'm talking about crypto. And in crypto world, it is all about buying and selling coins from exchange wallets. And for those who have been buying using other trading bots, then this is a right video for you. So today I'm going to talk about the new bot that I have come across. It doesn't need you to make any subscription, but the only thing you have to do is to pay the gas fee, which you always know that the gas fee is what they use for maintaining the apps. Now, if you have not yet subscribed to this channel, please click on the subscription button and turn on the notification bell by just clicking on this notification bell, then click on all, meaning you've turned on the notification bell. So when I make any video, you'll be among the first people to be notified and start making money there and then. Now let's go back to our video of the day. So the platform that I'm talking about today is called Apollo bot, and here under this video description I have left the link to this platform. So you have to click on that link and create your account and start making money with this platform. Now in this video I'm going to show you how to create an account. Then I'll talk about these pages that you're seeing, all these pages, then this downer pages. Now if you click the link under this video description, it is going to ask you to download this app from Google Play Store. And now after you downloading, you're going to install. Now this is the interface of this app when you've not created an account. So you just have to click on this register now. When you tap on register now, it is going to bring you here. So this is how you fill. Here I enter your email address, then here enter your password. The password start at least with a capital letter, then the digits must be 8. Then here you enter the invitation code that I have left under this video description. Now after you entering that, you click on verification, and they are going to send you a verification code to the email address that you've used here to create an account. Now you copy that and enter it here. Now after that, you click on register, and when you click on register, it is going to take you to the Chrome version of this app where you're supposed to complete your account registration. All that is easy. So to make this video short, I'm not going to take you there. Now for me, I have my account. I'm supposed to log into just by clicking here, then I enter my email address which is registered to this app. Now here I enter my password, then I click on login. Here it has already logged me successfully, as you've seen. And now here in the app here, as you're seeing it, there are these upper pages and there are these downer pages. Now this is how this platform works. It is about binding. You bind the API code of this app with your exchange wallet. For me, I have already binded my OKX, and binding OKX is very easy. So you just need to download OKX, create an account. After creating an account, you keep it logged in. Now after you come and log into the app, like I have logged into the app, then you click on bind. Now when you click on bind, me, I have bind mine. When you just tap here, it is going to take you just a few steps. There is nothing big, and complete your binding. Now for Binance is also here, then bybit is here, then BitGet is here. Any exchange wallet that you have, you can use it to make money using this app. Now after you doing all that, now you can start your trading, and this app has easy strategies that you're supposed to use to trade. And also this app supports many world-renowned cryptocurrency exchange wallets, like as I said, like Binance, OKX, Bybit, yes, name them. Then also it uses different trading strategies. For example, there is RSI, there is EMA, there is MACD, then there is KDJ, vol, then there is ATR and other indicators. So guys, it's very easy. Now to explain here, there is exchange page, then there is API. As I've shown you, that is where you use to bind this app and your exchange wallet. Then there is gas, buy gas. This is where you buy your gas fee from, and the minimum gas fee that you can buy is $30. Then the maximum is $500. And as I say that the gas fee will only be used as a platform service. So you can also read this if you click on buy gas page. Then when you sell or you close a position, it doesn't consume your gas. The service fee is as small as 0.05. Guys, you can also read all that. Then profits, here is where you see your profits, how much you've earned. By just tapping here, you're going to see what you've earned. Down here, the dates here. In case you've used the spot, you're going to see how much you've earned with spot here. In case you've used feature, you're going to see how much you've earned with feature here. Then it's total here. Maybe you maybe set like I want set spot and both, then also feature. So all will be here, then the total will be here. Then here is where you see the ranking. The last one here is where you see the ranking of people who are making money with this platforms. There is this DRA, he has made 522 in today only. Then here is Valentina, who has made 645.63. Then there is Jasmine, who has made 441 just now as I'm recording this video. But of course you can click in the monthly here for you to see who is best in the month by just tapping on the monthly, or you click on totals here for you to see who has made it in a month. Now as you're seeing it here, people have made money really here. If you check on the monthly or the totals, now if I click on monthly also here, it is going to show me that in monthly there is Zainab, who has made 3,313.59. Then there is Valentina, who has made 4,782.53. Then there is also here, you know, I'm not a Chinese, so I cannot read this Chinese. So he has also made 2,988.84. And here are the ranking. The first person here, then the second one, then the third one, then here comes the fourth and the fifth. Also in the daily, still the same. The first person here is the one who made much money today as I'm recording this video. Then the second person is here, then the third one is here, then this is the fourth, and these ones continue down. Now if you go down here, before I first talk about the strategies, let's first go down here. There is a home page where we are right now. Then the spot is where you see the coins that you're trading. Then there is a future trade also where you see the coins you're trading according to the future plan. Then there is this logs. Then there are mine. Mine is also a page where you can see all the details about this app. For example, where you can see your balance, when you want to make a withdrawal, when you want to buy a gas fee also, you can just come here. Then for referrals also, you come here, you just tap on referrals, then tap here to copy your referral link and start sharing so that people use it to join and you get a commission. Then here is for partners. Then there is a partners is still the same, where you see the people you have invited and how much they have earned, how much you have also earned via the commission. Then there are feedbacks here. Then there is messages here where you tap when there is any notification or you want to read more, you want to understand more about this platform. That is where you click. Then to change the language, just tap here where I've showed you that English. Me, I am using English, but there are all these languages. You use the one that you know Then for security, tap on security. If you want to log out, that's where you tap. Or if you want to change your password, just click on that arrow. Then here you enter your email, you enter the password. Then here you enter the verification code that they are going to send to that email address that you've entered here. You enter it here, then you confirm to reset your password. That is all about that. Then about this app, you click on this about. When you want to follow them on Twitter, you click here. Then to join the Telegram group, you click on Telegram. For example, when you tap on it here, it is going to ask me, but of course I have joined this. So that is all about that. Now how you can make a deposit, because if you have not deposited in this platform, it is not going to start any tradings. Now before I go there, let's first understand the strategies here. So there is a spot classic strategy, then there is a feature classic strategy, then there is a feature indicators strategy. Now with these strategies, they work 24 hours. It is not only that few hours it stops, no, it is just like other trading bots that we have been using, I have been talking about here. Yes, so now if you want, for example, to use the first strategy here, which is spot strategy, you just click on this arrow so that it takes you to the next page where you start selecting your trading from. Now here they are, the different coins here, and for example, if the coin you want is down, you can just enter it here. Like if I enter Matic, yes, this is Matic. Now, if this is the coin that I want to trade, I just click on here to tick. Then down here, it is showing you that selected one crypto. Then I click on confirm. Now, when I click on confirm, there are these strategies levels here. There is this AI DCA, then there is DCA, then there is AI grade, then there is grid itself. Now, there are these parameters here. If you have, for example, you have selected here, and here you're going to set the amount you want to use to trade. For example, if I say I want 10 USD, then how many orders do you want to buy and sell? There is automatic that 7. For example, if I say 3, I leave it there. Then there are these parameters. Now this is where we are. So the fiat is also here, but martingale is always the one most people use. Then the take profit is here. There is a partial take profit, then there is fulls. So this one, the profit, you're going to take full profit. Then here is a running mode. You want it in cycle or you want a single. A single is like, for example, you buy that coin, then when it sells once. After selling, it stops trading there, so that you just go reset it again or rebuy it afresh. Then the cycle is where you're going to buy. For example, if I buy this coin, it is going to sell, buy, it will not stop until I just go and stop it or I change the setting to single setting. And also you can read here in case you want to read them. So you can just tap on here, like for example, you tap on profit taking. If you don't know, then you read it here. After you click on confirm, trading stop, you click on it, then you read it here and understand. Then after, you can start your trading. But all these ones, because I have set it here, all these ones I cannot set. Yes, now if I want, for example, I want DCA. DCA is where you can set it, but this one, the system has set everything. But the DCA, you can just set it. You want to reduce, you want to do some things. So for example, here take profit, I can reduce it. I don't want this take profit of 1.5 here. Then a trailer stop is 0.that%. Margin ratio is 5%. Then rebound average. Then also here trailer stop is here. For example, if the percentage you've set here take profit is 1.5, so it is not going to sell until it falls down a bit by this. That is when it is going to sell. So that is it. I'm just going to pass with you just up here, then because if you just set here, you just click here and you get set. Now here the AI trading, this one is also good. So you just have to select, do you want a cycle, do you want only this single? Just click on there, then you click on launch. Everything will be automatic. Then the grid will be also here. You can set which take profit you want, the trailer stop, which one do you want, then the margin ratio, which one is it, this percentage, or you want lower than that or higher than that. Then the rebounds average, you can also set this, like the way you play with it in Royal Q. So you just change this, you change this, then you click on launch if you want this one. Now, if for example, we are here, then I've set all my settings like I've set, then I click on launch. But now here it is telling me that the gas fee is low. So I have to put the gas fee, then after putting, then that is when all will be fine. Now, if I click here, it will take me up here where I have to select the gas fee amount that I want to buy. But let's first go back. So that is how it is. So if you add a gas fee, I'll just click there, then I click on confirm and all would be fine for me. My coin would start trading. Then when I want to check, just come and click on spot and you will find it here that your coins are here. The coins you've selected are here. So that is how it is. Then for future trade also, you click on future classic. Then here you can select the coins the same way we have selected there. For example, I click on Sol, then I click confirm. Then you select which amount, you times 10 times what. Then you click on here to launch. Remember, you must be having gas fee. Then the future indicators, you click on this very arrow as you've seen it here, tap on it, then you select the coin. For example, I select this, I click confirm. Now when I click on confirm, it brings me here. So here you can select how many minutes, 5 minutes, 15 minutes trading, or then here you put the amount. For example, I want to put $20. Then here RSI, how much, which one, you put 2. Then here you put 12. Yes. Then is it automatic or long or short? Just tap on short in case you want short. Then you come and click on single trading. Then you click, for example, I want it 10 times after you click on launch. But of course the problem is gas fee. To deposit, as I showed you, that mine page here is where you get a deposit and a withdraw. So just tap here. Then here it is saying do not deposit any asset other than Polygon. So you are going to use USDT. You select the network, which is Polygon, not TRC20, but it is Polygon as indicated here. The deposited amount is only used for purchase, membership, service, and fund your quantitative trading account by depositing into the exchange. Yes. So if you have deposited here, you must be having money in your exchange wallet so that the trading will start. If you just have a gas fee here and you don't have it in your exchange wallet, then this robot will not start doing the trading for you. Now for those who have been fearing Royal Q that they want a free one, then this is the best one for you. You only have to get the gas fee. You deposit the gas fee here, then you put the amount you want in your exchange wallet after you start your trading like I have shown you. Now you copy it here, then you go and make a deposit using Polygon as shown there. Now if you want to, for example, you want to make some withdraw, you just click here to make your withdraw, and the minimum withdraw is $10. In case you've made a referrals or you have deposited much money here and you want to withdraw some to use, that is where you click. Then here you enter the wallet address. Then after you click here, you enter the amount. The minimum is $10. You enter it here, for example, $10. Then you click on next. Yes, but for me, I don't have money here to withdraw, so I don't have to continue. So all other things you're also going to do. Guys, I think that is where I'm ending with this video tutorial. If you have not understood anything, join the Telegram group, ask questions, and the admins of these platforms are going to answer you there in that group. So guys, that is it with this video today. If you are not yet subscribed to this channel, please guys hit the subscription button of this YouTube channel, like this video, and also leave a comment under this video description. Guys, that is where I'm ending with this video. We meet in the next coming video.